Another quick makeup one. Today I thought I'd show you the Revlon Eyes, Cheeks and Lips palette. It's the Drugstore. I've done reviews, or get rid of with me, with like the high-end stuff, your MAC, your Sephora, your Naked and your Tarte one. And now I thought I'd use this little one today. I actually quite like it. I've had it for quite a while. As you can see, it's quite well used. I'm going to go with the mauves and things, so I'm going to use some of the products in there, and the other stuff I will show you before I start what I use, but it's actually really quite nice. So that's what I'm going to do, and at the end I'll do a what I wore for the day, outfit of the day. That's what I tend to do in my videos. On this one today, so we're going to use Drugstore makeup. I'm going to be using purple eyeshadow, and that one behind my eyelid as well, and then the lipsticks and the blusher as well. And I'm going to use, I'll tell you up front, foundation on, but I'll just put it on quickly. I'm going to use a little blue eye pencil. It's an Australis, it's a blue eyeliner, so I'm going to use that one today. And just these two brushes here, we've got the Real Techniques one and the blending brush for the MAC. And the good old Rimmel eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, sorry. I'm going to pop a little bit of Nivea on my mouth. With this one, I'm going to use the little brush. I'm finding they actually quite good because they don't get much. The eyeshadow doesn't drop off much, so I'm going to actually use that. But first of all, I'll do the base of my eye, and I'm going to use a really light colour just to cover it over, just so I can hold the makeup on. So I'm just using one of the lighter colours there. Just going to cover the whole eyelid. Is it quite, actually that's quite nice. It's a pearlized one. I will show you which one. So I'm just using this one on there. It's on the brush. Just cover all the eyelid like that. Gives you a nice base to paint on. And we want good coverage because we don't know how well they last and sit on. So we do that first with the purple one just on there. I try and keep still. Like that so far. This is nice for blue eyes, purple. So we're looking like that. We'll go on that one, and I'll just sort of carve out the hollow bit. There is a bit of shimmer to these colours, and I'm only pressing lightly because I don't want to make it too thick. So we just do the eyebrows. With all the eyelashes. Yeah, it's quite pearlized, isn't it? I think the palette cost about $18 or maybe up to $24. I got it from Priceline. So I'll go with the Australis. This is a really good one. I've had it for years. It's just a blue one. Just lovely. It really stays on well. It's a kohl pencil and it stays on really well. So I'm going to just do it in the, I'll just go a little bit up this bit here. How it comes up. So yeah, I kind of have to fan my brush to get a bit more thickness on it. Just like, even on the brush, it doesn't really come up much. Okay. And but it doesn't really do much. A bit more. Yeah, just sort of blend it in everywhere around there. Okay, Rimmel. They've got the contouring one and the highlighter. I'm just going to stick with the highlight. And I'm just going to do it gently up there. Just a tiny bit more, in fact. Yeah, just a tiny bit more, a bit deeper. Just on this side, it'll be covered up anyway, but just to so it doesn't accentuate my hooded eye. And I'm just going on the brow bone with just a tiny bit more there. So when I look forward, it doesn't make the eye look droopy. Okay. Of course, I've got to balance it on here. And I'll just put that on, pop a little bit on the brow bone today. Yes, that highlight is not too bad. It does show up a little bit, doesn't it? Yeah, that's okay. There. Put that on there, like that. We need to lift the eye up, you see? It's a darker colour there. And I will just show you, but I probably might be a bit. And what you could do is just go in the crease line just slightly, like that. Just to add a bit of definition around the outside. So we might as well do that now. I'm doing this really lightly. I don't want to look too heavy for work. And then just blend it in. It probably doesn't show up very much, but it just gives you the idea of just doing the edges there. So far it's looking like that. Okay. Now, the lipstick. Now, I do like the lipstick on here. Gotta say, I have enjoyed using those. I'm going to use this one here. These ones are a little bit of a gloss. I could probably put that one on top and go in with that one. It's quite dark, but it's really nice. And it does stay on pretty good. It's pretty good, this one. It's quite dark, isn't it? Just to show you that I'm using the gloss one as well. And I'll just put that in the middle there. Yeah, that doesn't show up very much, that one. That's not a very good one. That's the makeup. So this is the look. And that's all the makeup there. So this is your drugstore makeup. I'll see you in a minute because I'll do the final look, okay? Hi, welcome back. And now I'm ready for the day. This is the outfit of the day. I've got the black jumper on. I've got a scarf on because I'm a bit cold. And put my white trousers on, the white jeans on. And I've got the little black booties with me. But I'm off to work today, so that's the look of the day. Where are we? So if you like this video, please subscribe. That'll be great. And thanks for watching.